Right, morning folks, I've been making video shy. There's a gate in the process. See the frame on it there, right? That's for Mrs Sanderson and Troon. There's Horatio. Ah, well done Horatio. Come through here. That's Mr Watson's tool store. But come here and see this folks. This is what I want to actually show you what we're doing. And I need to hear my earmuffs, right? But never mind. Right, hold on. This is these panels here we're making, right? There's one in between a wall, right? That's one I'm going to shape. You can learn with this. And you put that in between the frame. Keep up, Horatio! And then there you go, and I'm going to shape that there. And there's what we do. You get spacers, centre your board there, blah 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 that there. You see, lift them there, and then you nail them, and that's lovely. Put the tag on it, make it all lovely. 3 there, bit of rail there, 3 rail there. What more should you want? Now see before I go, I'm going to do something. Hurry. Oh, hurry. There you go. That's where I keep my muffs. Look at that. Okay, folks. But I'll put them over when he's off camera. So there you go. That's for Ronnie, a good old friend, Mr Emery in Turbolton. She's all there, folks.